The news in detail. Following the recent incidents of throwing petrol bombs in police stations and government offices, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home Prestone Tynsong has directed Meghalaya DGP to ensure that such incidents do not occur again, pointing out there is no breakdown of law and order in the city as incidents of petrol bombs being lobbed on vehicles and government offices keep on happening from time to time. He asserted that the government will not allow anybody to take law into their hands. According to Tynsong, advisory has been issued to government employees to keep their properties and vehicles safe and be cautious. Pointing out that security will be increased in Shillong, he said that the government is examining the idea of bringing in additional forces.
We will not allow anybody to take the law on their own hands. Law will prevail, and I have already instructed very, very clearly to the DGP and also the SPs and all to make sure that this kind of thing should not again. And we have asked all the department concerned, all the police office, the government offices to be cautious and also to make sure that when they park their vehicle or whatever, it should be in a proper place.
The